Science doesn't have to be complicated. When you think of something like chemistry, you maybe imagine big explosions or expensive chemicals, or maybe even a room like this one.
Hello there.
I'm here in the JEA Science Theater at the Museum of Science and History. And this room is where we bring science to life. But you can bring science to life at home. I'm an educator here at MOSH, so I'm no stranger to the big experiments that look really exciting and impressive, but you can do things just like we do here at a place like your kitchen, which is full of chemistry secrets. For our first color-changing art, you'll need a few supplies. You'll want to get some radishes. You'll want some vinegar. I poured mine in a beaker, but any kind of cup will work. You'll want to mix together some baking soda and water and put it in some sort of container. And then use a pipette, or if you don't have pipettes, a straw with a finger that you can just drop right out of. Radishes are great for eating, but also great for drawing. It's easy to use them as a drawing tool because they leave behind a great colorful streak. Radishes are special in another way because they contain anthocyanin, a special pigment that easily changes color. We can use chemistry to test it out. We're gonna start with baking soda, and I mixed it with water, and we are gonna see what happens if we put our baking soda water on the art that we made. What color does it turn? Purple! So we can change our art to purple. I'm gonna trade you, okay? And I'm gonna give you this pipette. Hold on to this one and drip a little drop on our art. Right over here. Oh, that works too. Good job. And we'll spread that around. Elena's helping me. And do you see, is it turning a little bit orange? So we watch as our radish art changes color from our reddish pink to our nice purpley blue. So our radishes are a secret tool for making really cool kitchen art. Chemistry experiments like our color-changing art help us understand pH, a value of how acidic or basic something is. It's not just radishes that are good at this. There are many foods with this special property. Want to take your science a step further? Bust out the red cabbage. Red cabbage indicator solution can be made by boiling red cabbage and saving the purpley red water left behind. Prep a jar and gather some different white powders you might have in your pantry, like baking soda, baking powder, cornstarch, or powdered laundry detergent. Put a pile of each powder on a labeled sheet of paper so you can keep track of how each one changes. Little hands are great at putting out the piles of powder. Then add your cabbage juice and see what colors you get. What colors were you able to create at home? We would love to see your radish art or maybe your red cabbage rainbow of colors. So take those pictures and tag us at MOSH Jacks. We can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for joining us today and watching and learning with me. This activity is brought to you by the Museum of Science and History and powered by PNC Bank. We'll see you next time.